Welcome to Fountain Creek Nature Center. We are located just south of downtown Colorado Springs off of I-25 on Highway 85. Fountain Creek Nature Center is a small nature center located in the wetlands in El Paso County. We have a series of ponds, and we're also located right near Fountain Creek. We offer programs year-round to the public, and we offer programs for kids age 2 to 92. So there's something here for everyone. We live in a semi-arid, dry climate, but here at Fountain Creek we have a series of ponds and the Fountain Creek, of course, and so that brings a whole different set of plants and animals for the viewer to observe. We have great blue herons that are here year-round. They do come fishing in our ponds, and it's really exciting to watch a great blue heron as it stalks along the cattails in the ponds looking for fish, and then when it grabs that fish and watch them swallow it whole, it's a very exciting thing. On our nature loop, which is in the Cattail Marsh Wildlife Area, that's the only 7/10 of a mile in the park that is not open to dogs or pets or bicycles or horses, but is just for hikers so that they can have the maximum potential to see wildlife. We really attempt in our nature camps to connect with the child's passions, which are playing in the woods, building forts, playing in the mud, getting your feet wet in the creek. And so we really pride ourselves on offering that opportunity to children to have these magical, special moments outside. One wonderful thing about Fountain Creek Nature Center is that it's free to come in and enjoy our exhibits.